Hello friends, welcome to Rajavali Education channel. In this video, we are going to see detailed explanation of fuel cell. First, we see what is fuel cell. The galvanic cell in which the energy of combustion of fuels is directly converted into electrical energy is called the fuel cell. It consists of 5 compartments. First one is fuel compartment, second one is anode, third one is electrolyte, fourth one is cathode, and fifth one is oxidant compartment. So the general representation of fuel cell is fuel bar, anode bar, electrolyte bar, cathode bar, oxidant. In fuel cell, electrodes are made up of graphite, that is porous graphite, containing nickel-nickel oxide, serves as inert electrode. Sometimes finely divided platinum or palladium metal are incorporated into the graphite electrode instead of nickel and nickel oxide. Here hydrogen acts as a fuel and oxygen acts as an oxidant, and the electrolyte KOH is used. Now we see the working function of fuel cell. Here hydrogen and oxygens are continuously supplied to the cell. Hydrogen, that is fuel, bubbled through the anode into the electrolyte, and the oxygen, that is oxidant, bubbled through the cathode into the electrolyte. At an anode, hydrogens are oxidized to H plus ions, and at cathode, oxygens are reduced to hydroxyl ions. These two ions combine together producing water vapors. These water vapors are condensed to get pure water. Now we see cathode cell reaction. At cathode, oxygen is reduced to hydroxyl ion. The equation is O2 plus 2H2O plus 4 electrons gives 4 hydroxyl ions. Next we see anode cell reaction. At an anode, hydrogen molecules are oxidized to H plus and electrons. These H plus ions are combined with the hydroxyl ions producing water molecule. So overall cell reaction is 2H2 plus 4 hydroxyl ions gives 4H2O plus 4 electrons. By adding cathode half cell reaction and anode half cell reaction, we will get overall cell reaction of fuel cell. During this, 4 electrons are cancelled out and 4 hydroxyl ions are also cancelled out. So we get 2H2 plus O2 gives 4H2O minus 2H2O gives 2H2O. This is the overall cell reaction of fuel cell. Next, we discuss applications of fuel cells. Fuel cells are used to power many space expeditions, including the Apollo space program. Byproducts produced from these cells are heat and water. Fuel cells are pollution-free. Fuel cells produce electricity with an efficiency of about 70% compared to thermal plants whose efficiency about 40%.